So, we've got a pretty big weekend ahead of us. After the engine issues in Spa, we had to swap both engines out for brand new ones. And this is the first time we're running them. We are at Karting Emmen for round 2 and honestly, we have no idea what to expect for this weekend. In this video I'm going to share with you how this important practice day unfolded whilst commentating on this epic battle I'm having with kart number 7. If you've never heard of this place, this track recently got new owners and they've been putting in serious work into the facilities. And they're really active on Instagram too, so if you want to see what they're doing with the place, it's worth giving them a follow. The big thing about the circuit is the long straight. Karting Emmen has the longest straight of any karting track in the Benelux. So straight line speed here is essential for good lap times. And that's exactly why we're nervous, because we have no idea yet if these engines are going to be competitive, and we won't fully know until qualifying tomorrow. On top of that, for this practice day we are still running the tyres from Spa. They've done a full race weekend already, so they're well past their best. Therefore we knew from the start that finding a good setup was going to be tricky. We began the day with the same setup we ran at Spa, but we felt immediately that the kart had a lot of understeer. So we came into the pits to widen the front track width. And that helped. The kart was a lot more responsive. As we see me lining up the move into turn 1, kart number 7 is side to side, it's really close. Me just braking a bit later and getting the move done. But kart number 7 getting the better exit and he gets me into the next corner. But now we had a new problem. The rear end kept getting loose. Through the fast corners, the back end just kept stepping out and we couldn't get on the power early without the rear snapping on us. So we tried something we've never done before. We widened the rear track width. And honestly, it worked. The kart felt much more stable and we found a couple of tenths just from that setup change alone. So with the kart setup finally feeling right, we each got about an hour of seat time. Enough time to learn the track properly. And that's where we are right now. I had a small pace advantage at this point to kart number 7, but it was tiny. Really slowly I was reeling him in, so I already knew getting past him was not going to be easy. Ruben always got a good launch of that second hairpin, which allows him to send it down the inside just like you're seeing right now, and I didn't have an answer to that. But I, on the other hand, always got a good exit of the last corner, which gave me a good drive towards the long straight and oftentimes gave me an opportunity into turn 1. Let's see how it works out this time. So again, I get the good launch and Ruben sees me and he squeezes me into the inside, and now we're both holding our breath trying to brake as late as possible, and again he gets a good exit from turn 1. I know from last time that he does. So I try to squeeze him into the inside, not giving him any space into the next corner, and it works. I fend him off and that's the last time we battle. Thank you for watching this short video about the practice day. There's a lot more to show you from this karting weekend. So if you want to see more, go and hit the subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.